Hi, I'm Austin Quattlebaum, formerly unemployed banjo player and now CEO of Squattle Stools International. Thanks to this tiny stool with big potential, I now have a job during the pandemic. Here at Squattle Stools, I'm the head carpenter. I'm the CFO. I'm the marketing manager. I'm the delivery guy. I basically do everything because I'm the only one that works here. Due to a surge in popularity, we've decided to extend the Squattle collection to a whole new line of products. Come on, let's check it out. The Squattle Grande. It's bigger for our fatter American clientele and makes a great little table. We're excited to introduce le Petit Squattle. It's smaller and lower to the ground, which makes it better lounging, better meditating, better pooping. The perfect stool for the perfect stool. We've also decided to expand our creativity with this signature line of Squattles. The stained Squattle, cause it's stained. The barn Squattle. It's made out of an old barn because reclaimed barn wood is hip as Shugi barn. I'm extremely excited to introduce the Shugi Squattle. Using the Japanese Shugi barn technique, I burn the bejesus out of this thing, dust it off, and lacquer it up. Here at Squattle headquarters, we work hard to make sure your orders get out on time, and we take most of the necessary precautions to prevent the spread of COVID-19 through Squattles. Using our signature low-contact delivery method, we'll even deliver straight to your door in the Portland area for free! Sure, I'll get to play concerts again someday. But until then, I guess this is what I do. To place your order on one of these unique heirloom items, just fill out the form.
Visit austinquattlebaum.com/Squattles. Seriously, thank you for all your orders. Your support means the world to me. Squattle quality varies from product to product. Quattlebaum still isn't a very good carpenter and is not responsible for injuries or coronavirus contracted while using the Squattle. Stay healthy.
That's pretty good.